New Balance collaborating with Aimé Dore is like Ricky Bobby and Cal Naughton Jr. or Goku fusing with Vegeta, or like LeBron and AD. You just can't beat it. If you didn't get any of those references, man, I'll explain it at the end of the video. Yo, what is going on, everyone? My name is Drew, what it do? In today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at the New Balance times Aimé Dore P550 in the white, red, and navy colorway. If you enjoy this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to join the community. Let's start with everyone's favorite part, the box. This version of the P550 comes with a blue box made out of recycled materials. As you open the box, you're greeted by one of the most anticipated collaborated sneakers of the spring. The New Balance P550 originates from the late 80s and was brought back in 2020 by Aimé Dore, Teddy Santis, and the boys and girls. The white, red, and navy variant is one of the two shoes that recently released. The white, red, and navy variant is probably the least hyped or the least popular of the two variants. The sneaker comes with an extra set of brown laces and cream laces, and on the sneakers are a pair of eggshell white laces already. The color blocking on this shoe is just perfect. You have the right touches of navy, white, and red, and it goes together so beautifully. The leather on this shoe is nice but not excellent. These have no made in USA denotations on them, so I'm assuming that they aren't made in the US. Notable details include the tongue, the outsole, the insole, which reads International Friendship Through Basketball, and one of my favorite ALD logos, the ALD Sunny Big Apple logo. I mean, let's just take a moment to appreciate how beautiful these sneakers are. I don't know, there's something about the P550 that is just incredible. But let's see what these look like on feet, and let's talk about sizing. Did you miss me? Let's talk about sizing and comfort. When it comes to the P550, I am no stranger to the sneaker. I had them last year in 2020, and what I experienced is that you want to go true to size or about half a size down. I have a 11-inch foot, so I'm a size 11, and I have a pretty narrow foot, right? And for these, I do enjoy going true to size. There's a little bit of heel slippage, but it's manageable. I don't really mind it. If I went half a size down in my size, I feel like it would be a little bit snug, but I think if you're kind of going for that more snug fit, if you want it to be more one-to-one or true to your foot, then going half a size down might work for you if you're a narrow footer. Now, if you're a wide footer, you might want to just go true to size. It's hard for me to really know exactly if true to size is going to work for a wide footer, but for me as a narrow footer, I really just suggest that you should go true to size or half a size down. But anyways, these look great on feet, and I love the way they look. I got my Levi's on right now, man. These look absolutely beautiful. Comment down below what you guys think of this sneaker. Do you guys like the other pair a little bit more? I have the other pair coming in as well, so stay tuned for that. Let's get on to the next section. The P550 is a retro new age classic. The shoe fits perfectly into modern outfit and fashion motifs. I really think the current iteration of fashion that we're in is obsessed with looking at things from the past and repurposing them for the present. I give these sneakers a 10 out of 10, man. I absolutely love the P550. It's such a cool model. And last year, actually, the original Aimé Dore P550s, those were my sneaker of the year. And I might have to give these sneaker of the year as well at this point, just because I love this shoe and I love the way it looks aesthetically. And I mean, is there much more to say about it? I will be getting the other pair in, the other colorway in. So if you want to see that video, be sure to subscribe to this video, join this community. I post content about fashion, sneakers, culture, and art. So if you're into any of those things, join the community and do the right thing, man. Give this video a like. Of course, if you have any other questions, leave them down in the comment section, or you can DM me at DrewJoyner_. Real quick, before I conclude the video, I'm gonna explain the references like I said I promised I would. If you don't know about the references I mentioned in the beginning of this video, let me put you on to some great movies or some great shows. So Ricky Bobby and Cal Naughton Jr. are a dynamic duo from the movie Talladega Nights. If you have not seen that movie, oh my gosh, you need to watch that movie. It's hilarious. Goku and Vegeta are classic anime characters from the anime series Dragon Ball, which if you haven't seen Dragon Ball or heard of Dragon Ball, I highly recommend it. Tune in. If you know anything about basketball, anything at all, you'll know that LeBron James brought home a championship to the Los Angeles Lakers with his co-star Anthony Davis. That was an unbelievable fun time for me to watch as a LeBron fan. So if you don't know about LeBron and AD, you need to educate yourself on basketball. I hope that helps. As always, I'm spreading peace, love, and positivity in 2021. So that means I'm spreading peace, love, and positivity to you. Have a wonderful rest of your day wherever you are in the world. Peace.